Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what I've done. I've just finished repairing the wiring. So this is a new connector I've done. I've soldered the wire together and then used these kind of connectors. This one here, I'll show you what I mean more clear on this side here. So what I usually do, I solder the wire in first like that. That's all soldered first, and you got another extra solder here. Alright, just make sure the wire is soldered. The reason why I use these kind of connectors because there's a seal on both sides. Alright, there's a seal on both sides. If you look closely, there's a seal there on both sides. See the blue one, 1, 2. So I've soldered the wire first, and then you put this right in the middle, sort of there, and then you can use a lighter or a heat gun or anything just to melt this in pieces. See what I mean here? So you can see the blue one, the blue will start to melt in the middle, and then that side there, right? They start to melt and they start to form, they start to seal as well. So, alright, this is what I mean. So, see the blue ones, those little blue ones are all melted here. There you go, so melted the blue one, so now they become sealed inside here. When they dry up, they become a seal, so water can't go into the actual connector. That's pretty much it. Alright, now everything's connected properly. I'm just waiting for my actual H4 LED globe to come in, so I can actually both sides are done, but I'll show you what I mean. Sorry I didn't show in the previous video, but I'll show you what I mean here. If you look closely, let me take the flash off. If you look closely, see how the actual earth, the earth wire is the brown one, is connected to the actual globe. The actual 12 volt is connected to the actual earth. So that should be connected to the middle, and that should be connected to the earth. So that's why the fuse kept blowing and melted, because somebody's connected the actual wiring the wrong way, causing that to blow up. So that wire there was directly, which is this wire here. See how now I've changed it around, so that wire there now is connected to the back of the globe, but that wire there is directly connected to this part here, that wire there. And that's why when I tested before, I found that this wire is an earth wire. And that's why the reason why it was connected to the earth wire. And that's why I pulled everything apart, and that's why the fuse was blown, because it was supposed to be connected to the other side. So it's just a miss. Someone has switched the wire. It's very easy to do. But if you're not sure what you're doing, just make sure that the middle wire always go to 12 volts, and the body of the actual housing is the actual earth wire, which is this one here. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Nearly done with this one, so I can do my H4 LED upgrade, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.